Welcome to Government Engineering College Vaishali, established in 2018 by the Government of Bihar. As we are working towards the institute main gate through the all-weathered approach road. Upon entrance into GEC Vaishali, the first thing on the left side of the entrance gate is the security office. And on the right hand side, we have the parking space. Just beside to it, generator shade for electricity backup is located. Moving towards the academic and administrative building from the main gate, we can see the playground area on the left hand side, fully equipped with basketball, volleyball and cricket courts. Then after we can see that we have the sewage treatment plant, which is STP, the sewage treatment plant, where all the drainage waters are collected. This is the rainwater harvesting well. The water coming from STP and the rainwater well, it is used for gardening purposes. As we are walking up the ramp, we are approaching to the entrance of our academic cum administrative building. Upon entering, we see the notice board on the left side. Opposite to it, we are seeing the Ma Saraswati's idol, the soul of our institution. Here on the left side, we have our administrative offices, principal office, the main office. Opposite to it, the examination office for examination related activities, the academic section. Here we have our training and placement office. Now we are at our lab number 1, the fluid mechanics lab. This is our medical office, the first aid cum sick room. Now we are moving towards the board room, just in front of the sick room. We are continuing our journey to the workshops of civil engineering. This is workshop number 3 of civil engineering. Here we are moving. Walking in the lobby, we have the student biometric system facilities, the RO facilities, the badminton court. These all and the whole campus is under CCTV surveillance. Towards the left, just beside of it, we have our workshop number 2 of civil engineering. It is fully equipped with all the machinery. Related to civil engineering. This is our workshop number 2. Towards the toiletries facility.
Nearby accessible washrooms caters to the needs of all individuals, including those with disabilities. Additionally, separate facilities are provided for both male and female students and faculties. We are moving to the first floor. At the first floor, this is our classroom number 1. This is of dimensions 68.85 square meters. This is classroom number 2. All the classrooms are of the same dimensions and the sitting capacity of 60 students. This is classroom number 3. Now we are at classroom number 4. Moving towards the lab of the first floor, here we are at the lab number 2, that is fluid mechanics lab. Now we are at lab number 3, this is environmental engineering lab. Now this is lab number 4, this is chemistry laboratory. This is our lab number 5 of automobile and IC engineering. Now this is lab number 6 of engineering mechanics. Moving ahead, we are seeing our lab number 7 of engineering drawing and machine drawing. Now we are at lab number 8 of dome and DME. This is our lab number 9 of geology lab. Moving towards lab number 10 of transportation engineering. This is lab number 11 of heat transfer laboratory. We are at lab number 13 of circuit design. Moving ahead, we are at lab number 14 of instrumentation. Moving further, we are at lab number 15 of communication. Moving ahead, we are at the girls' common room. This is our girls' common room. This is our boys' common room. Now we are at the tutorial 1. This is used for other tutorial purposes except of it is just studying. At the same floor, we are having other HODs and departmental offices. Moving upstairs. Now we are moving towards the second floor. Here we have our classroom number 5, classroom number 6, classroom number 7, and classroom number 8. This is our smart classroom number 1, which is our classroom number 13. Here we are at the tutorial 02. Here we are at the PCB design lab. We are at lab 17. This is lab 18. This is lab 19. This is lab 20. This is lab 21. And this is lab 22. Moving ahead at lab 23. Now we are at lab 25. Now we are at the computer center. It is fully equipped with all the Wi-Fi facilities with a sitting accommodation of over 100 students. It creates a space for all the academic and non-academic technical activities.
Now we are at the central library. On the right side, we have the reading sections where students accommodate to read and learn. Our library also offers e-Granthalaya facilities where students can take the books and return it online. The whole library is fully automated. Moving ahead, we comes to the faculty reading room, where faculties come and read whatever they want. Now we are moving towards the book collections. We have the huge variety of books of all the different branches. Approx 1162 titles and 10,664 volumes of books are available in the library, as well as it contains 36 journals published till now. All the students may collect the books of their interest and curriculum from here. The Wi-Fi and the CCTV surveillance facilities are here 24/7. Now we are here at the language lab. The language lab is offering facilities so that the students can get their language better and their linguistic and professional communication skills get better. Moving ahead, we are at the drawing lab. It has a sitting capacity of approx 80 students. At the same floor, we have various departmental offices. Now let's move towards the third floor of the institution. Moving upstairs, we have our classrooms 10, 9, 11 and 12. Then after we come towards the classroom number 14, the smart classroom 2. Now we are at the classroom number 15. Here we comes towards the tutorial number 4 and 3. Moving towards the lab, this is lab number 27. Moving ahead towards lab number 28, the AutoCAD lab. Lab number 29. And this is lab number 30. Here comes the lab number 31. Here comes the lab number 33. Now this is lab number 34. As we have seen already that all our labs are fully equipped with machineries related to that very subject. Now here comes the lab, the E-Yantra. This is lab 36. Here comes the lab 37.
So good morning students, this is your Proteus lab. I think here the students of electronics and electrical students are sitting over here, and today we are going to implement the circuits on the Proteus software. It is a powerful simulation tool which is used to design the electronic and electrical circuits, and it is mainly or primarily used by the electronic design engineers for implementing the schematic capture and the printed circuits for manufacturing the printed circuits board. Okay.
By the help of stairs and the lift, we have MPH multi-purpose hall. It is well equipped with false ceiling, the sound system and other facilities with the sitting capacities over the 450 students. Here all the small and big gathering happening related to our institute take place. Here annual parent-teacher meeting also take place. The benefit of the parent-teacher meeting to build the relationship which established a good bond between parent and the teacher.
And here you can see that we are watering all our plants with the rainwater in the campus. Now we are heading towards all the other facilities of the campus. We are moving towards the boys hostel. Here we are at the boys' hostel. This is the security office of the boys' hostel. The boys' hostel has total capacity of over 300 students. This is a small ground of the boys' hostel. Here comes the mess of our boys' hostel, the dining area. This is the dining area. Here all the students accommodate for their meals. Here comes the RO water purifiers and the wash basins. Here is the principal quarter, the faculty lodge and its parking areas. All this campus are under the surveillance. Moving towards the girls' hostel, it has total intake capacity of 201 girls, having all the complete Wi-Fi campus, the mess area, and all the other facilities same as the boys' hostels. Both the hostels have the same facilities.